Tissue, 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 tissue. Well, I think my Bollywood career just ended there. And this is for sure that Shah Rukh Khan will be, oh my god, no way! And I don't think he will take me as his heroine. Dawn, Rais, Pathan, Jawan, Dilwale, oh my god, the list goes on and on. That makes Shah Rukh Khan one of the, I guess, the most wanted actor in Bollywood. But I'm not here to talk about his acting skills, as I don't think I am the best person to judge that, because I have not seen many of his movies, to be honest. Then why am I taking pains of making this video? Well, because I want to share a different side of him, which I am also intrigued about. Only when I saw Jawan everywhere, so I started looking up, okay, what else is he known for? I think gratitude is a big portion of keeping a healthy mind. And Shah Rukh Khan is a person who has a big sense of gratitude. He gives back to the society generously. While researching some facts about Shah Rukh Khan, that what else is he known for, I was a bit disappointed to see that there's hardly any information easily available for the great works that he's doing. I could find loads of information about how much money he has and which car he drives and how big is the house and all those material lifestyles. But there was hardly any information about his charitable work. But I dug deeper and found out that behind this dapper dashing man is a gentle soul that deeply cares for people. His Mir Foundation helps support and empower poor women, especially women victims of acid attack, which sadly 1,500 women are affected in India each year. I think I would give him a title of a gentleman Jawan. Shah Rukh is a self-made man. He lost his father when he was 15 and mother when he was only 26. His father, Mir Muhammad Khan, was a freedom fighter during the fight for independent India. So Mir Foundation goes after his name. Oh, and by the way, I'm making this quick sketch from Shah Rukh's Jawan poster, in which he's looking disheveled, rugged and rough. And normally I make my paintings in oil portraits, the professional ones. But this one I am experimenting with water paints. So going further about Shah Rukh's good work, in 2014 he donated 15 crores to cancer patients in Kolkata. This was all of the money he profited from the cricket match won by his team Kolkata Riders in the Indian Premium League season. I'm not telling these facts in a chronological order. In 2009, he provided electricity to 7 Odisha villages, benefiting 270 families by investing in a solar electricity project. This generous man also donated roughly $200,000 to the flood victims in Uttarakhand, Chennai and Kerala in 2013, 2015 and 2018, in that order. And during the COVID time in India, we have all heard a lot of horror stories, how people with little help, but there were angels like Shah Rukh Khan who stepped in, and he donated generously to many charities, including the PM Cares. He also provided food to 5,500 families who were on daily wages. And he also pledged 50,000 kits to the carers and health workers. So I'm so delighted to know that Shah Rukh Khan is not only winning hearts on screen, but off screen as well. He remains humble and down to earth and does not talk about all the charity that he does. I haven't seen the movie Jawan like many of his other movies. I don't see many. But I've heard that he's fighting the system and the politicians and corruption and lack of justice. It's been a long time in Bollywood since somebody has done this. So I hope people take the core message home and stand up for themselves and fight for their justice when needed. As I said about this sketch, I'm experimenting. So in this one, on the skin tone, I took the darker one first. Normally in water paints, you do the lighter one first. But honestly, I had thought about not doing any color in the white area, but then I decided to make it a bit light, sort of yellowish. These are not real colors of the skin that we have in reality. His hair is blue and grayish hair, and it's in a portrait, as long as you can capture the expressions in the eyes and the look of the features. I don't think it matters what colors you use. After all, I think there is nothing right or wrong in art. It's all down to your style and what makes you happy and what floats your boat, as they say. I should have left some white area to highlight the shine, but I'm using this now marker. And yeah, this is a multimedia sketch by now. First I use a pencil, then water, and now these colors. Who knows, I may just use paper cutouts as well and make it into a collage. I love experimenting. So I'm happy to present these two sketches actually. Do look at the whole video so that you don't miss the second sketch. And while I'm doing this, I'm also um, experimenting my watercolor skills because the portraits I make are normally in oil paints. So I hope you are walking with me. Here it is. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please do subscribe, like and share as much as you can, and I will happily bring you more and more videos, and all of them are not going to be on celebrities, and the next video will be about how you can start drawing if you've never done any in your life.